guys, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and today is a Dollar Tree haul. Shout outs to April at The Simple Rugged Path and Samantha at Simply Raising Arrows for sponsoring this collab. There will be links below to the rest of the playlist so that you can see all the other great finds that people have found at their dollar stores lately. Okay, so I live in a pretty small town and my Dollar Tree is tiny, teeny tiny. So I went to Austin and tried to find some of their Dollar Trees. So first I went to one in Cedar Park that had really good reviews on Yelp. Oh my goodness, that store was a wreck. It was so messy and so, wow. I mean, wow. But I did find a few things. So, and I think my bags have kind of gotten mixed up because after that I went to a Dollar Tree in Austin and that was like the largest Dollar Tree I've ever been to, and it had a lot of cool stuff, but at the same time it had different stuff than my Dollar Tree has, but there were some things that my tiny Dollar Tree always has that I didn't see there. So it just depends on, you know, which Dollar Tree you go to and what they happen to sell. So one of the things I found for all their college is they now have different colors of storage containers. So I got this pink one and I'm just in love with it. And speaking of new pink things, they also have this belt hanger. It's kind of felted and it's got all these little hooks and it was just $1. Okay, so deco mesh. My Dollar Tree never has deco mesh, so whenever I see deco mesh, no matter what color it is, I'm like buying it because I know I want to use it sometime in crafts. So I picked up a couple deco meshes when I found them. One of the Dollar Trees I was at had this yarn, and I've never seen yarn at a Dollar Tree before, and I thought this was so pretty, and I'm gonna teach myself how to crochet. And so I'll need some yarn. Yeah, okay, so hopefully that'll happen. One thing that I think Dollar Tree has really upped their game is with their dishware. They have some really pretty dishes. I don't need any new dishes. I'm not in the market for new dishes right now, but I thought some of these were really pretty. And I found these plastic makeup containers, and I already have some that I use that I bought several years ago off Amazon for a lot more than $1. And they're in my medicine cabinet. I have a medicine cabinet from IKEA and it's almost the exact same width of these. And so it's perfect to set all my makeup in, and then I can just open up the doors and there everything is. So I was excited to pick up another makeup container because my Dollar Tree doesn't have these. I know that other people have found them at their Dollar Trees, but yeah, I've never had that before. So next, I got some of these apple slices, freeze-dried apple slices. My Dollar Tree has had these in the past, and I've picked them up before, and I thought they were really good, so I thought that was a great find to get some more of those. Okay, so the Dollar Tree I went to in Austin, that was huge. It had the biggest tool section I've ever seen at a Dollar Tree. So I picked up this tart because I'm going to be using this in a video later, and you'll have to wait for that one. Some freeze-dried strawberries. These are really good. Now they do have sugar already on them, so they're not as healthy as I would hope. Okay, I got some craisins and some craisins with blueberries. I've been trying to eat more fruit lately, so I don't know. They do have added sugar, so probably not the best, but hey, I'm trying, right? That counts for something. Okay, so the next thing, my boys, all 3 of you, husband and children, need to pause or turn off the video, fast forward real fast, because stocking stuffers, these are Star Wars tissues, and so I'm gonna stick them in their stockings for Christmas. All right, boys, y'all can watch again. Okay. So y'all know I'm a teacher, so I found this really cool, fun border for my bulletin boards. So when I went into the one Dollar Tree, there were some kids that came in right after me, and they had just put up a display for school supplies. And it was so funny because I heard these kids saying, Mom, they're ruining summer. I am also the cheerleading coach, and I found these tattoos, glitter tattoos for breast cancer awareness in October. And in October, we always do one game where we wear pink things and we show support for breast cancer. And I have 36 girls on my cheerleading squad, so yeah, that's a lot. And since these were $1 each and they have 28 tattoos in them, they'll be able to pick which one they want and maybe wear it on their cheek or something while they're cheering for those games. And, oh, this was really cool. So these are stencils, and I found 4 of them, and they're self-adhesive stencils, so you can set them down and they're gonna stick and not move around. And I love stencils in my crafting, so I am definitely gonna use these. I was very excited when I found these, and I can't wait to make a video using some stencils so I can show you how I'm using them. I'm getting quite a pile on my floor. Okay, so next I found some stickers, and I'm gonna plan on using these stickers for school. I teach middle school, but you know what? They like stickers too. I mean, they're kids still, and sometimes a little sticker means a lot because they don't get them anymore. Okay, so next I found some double-sided foam mounting tape, and it's got little pre-cut things, and I use foam mounting tape in my card making and stuff all the time. So I thought I would give this a try and see how well it works. Okay, I told you it was the biggest tool section, so I found some caulk, and right now I'm working on my laundry room and I'm gonna need some caulk, so yay for $1. I found this pretty lanyard that I thought I could use at school. We have to wear our IDs, and so I thought that that would be a nice one. I have, oh, a lock for my bicycle. I don't have a lock for my bike, and now I do. And it was only $1, and I'm excited. Okay. Also, in that hardware section, I picked up this picture mounting kit because I'm always wondering where my nails are or whatever to mount pictures on the walls. And I found this paracord. Now, a couple years ago, I did some paracord crafts and bracelets and keychains, and my son was doing them too. And we were buying paracord off Amazon for a whole lot more than $1. So I was excited to find this. Hopefully I can do a video about that sometime. Now, I don't normally wear nail polish because I'm hard on nail polish, but I found this and it seemed really simple and really easy, and it's only $1, so I thought I would give it a try. And, okay, bag's empty. Well, that's all for my Dollar Tree haul. Please make sure you check out all the other videos in the playlist. And again, thanks to April and Samantha for hosting this collab. Please, if you're new here, thank you so much for watching. Hit that red subscribe button. It's big, it's red, it says subscribe. Also hit the notifications bell because I have some really cool crafts and things that I'm planning on coming out with really soon. So you won't want to miss those videos. Also, like this video with a thumbs up, and in the comments, please tell me what your favorite Dollar Tree find is. Come on, you can do it. Typey, typey, typey. Type it in. What is your favorite Dollar Tree find? Until next time, have a great day, crafting away.